Ebusian finally Nana McBrown abeyi Ghana for mu curiosity nano. Amanfo busa say aso Nana McBrown ne Maxwell omo da so worry ana omo agyan. Odi nchiremu aba. Aha let's start ghtrends and then first time I pop into a video make sure you subscribe. Ama me no click on notification bell for latest update on follow Facebook. As let's start ghtrends and TikTok so as let's start ghtrends video ama for abehwe. Any comments be awon waja or comment section ho edi amame. Ebuse wonim say me nu mi enu de Nana McBrown de kasa actress a ene esisi a wo bu mi we every field a na tesenya asem ketwa ene brand ambassadorial deals de all bag no bag asa ade bi o de ne nsa behim bia eye successful enu nti na asem ba na obi a pokini no so obi apese what say asem na no kra na yentro na na man so de sometimes on kasa nti no amanfo be kan gu ne so am ade ba kwa nkofo twen ne se ne yesi ne kunu Maxwell ebisi okofa oba foforo ebisi one Nana Ama so ware ensem ne eye bebre Nana Ama on the Diva Doc Let's Talk a show Dr. Selma Wright and a hosty and Nana Ama ko make statement be anasa wakoka use phrase be they are describing the kuna Ghana for say any awade ye me say ya to zoom anaza to zoom. Now before then no hu yenkotie question Dr. Selma ebusa Nana McBrown emra.
You've been in more than 200 movies, playing different roles.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, I see that you get hooked up with one, I guess, TV station. I think it was UTV or something.
Yes.
And then you moved to Media General. So you did some, with me, people call me a loser. I've been in the same job for like 19 years. And I've gotten complacent. And if you were to ask me, what would I tell my younger self? It would be, maybe after 7 years, I should have moved on. Because you get complacent, you get comfortable, and then you don't want to leave, right?
Yeah.
But you made some strategic moves. How did you decide, okay, this is time to move on to the next?
Ebusian question Dr. Selma ebusa no. Na Dr. Selma busa asem we no. Emuaya na ye twen ne de na obi ani wa wo twen se Maxwell di beba baby anase bibi. But emuaya Nana McBrown so de ma yensu ni.
I work with passion. And I work wholeheartedly. If I say I'm doing this with you, we must finish. With UTV came as I used to host a cooking show called A Bean Show for someone. And we signed for 5 seasons. After the season, I said, I want to move on with my life. I built your show for you and keep it. Let me also move. At that time, I'd wanted to do my show. It was 2, the McBrown show and the McBrownskitchen. And I used to have some small house be at Kwabinya. Wanted to do it there. But my husband then said I should do it different. That's why we bought a car and we started our own cooking show.
Kasa no say my husband then. I'm going to say, I say me, my husband then need I said then near past this ano. Would the sakuti, any beam, maybe a wow, Kasa, baby, emphasize on it, any beam.
My husband then said I should do it different. That's why we bought a car and we started our own cooking show.
Say a plane you know with him. It's a for say for kase my husband then that phrase ni me ni bibi. It's any go there. The phrase my husband then can mean 2 things depending on the context. So the man who was my husband at the time or next or after that. So and then go for kase. Not just say ni kunu then what I say ni ex-husband and I say my past husband. What I say so na ringy won't go fight you say they see how they finally Nana McBrown Becca say on Maxwell tin tone time our arena I hate rocks and ya dear no be she say or mobile but I dear ababo nsini na interview no de o de yon koso ni nkotie de interview ne so ekosie
again. Since the first show was on UTV, I wanted to take my show to Adom.
Okay.
I went to Adom, I spoke to them, and they were about to give me a day when I saw the previous show, A Bean Show on Adom.
Ah.
I was like, But I just left the station. Why didn't they tell me that a Ben show has moved from UTV? Because I was actually wishing that I can show it on YouTube, but I didn't want it to be like a competitive strategy, and that's what I want to push the people. No, unfortunately for me, they moved themselves to Adom.
Okay.
The same day I went to speak to Adom people, that's when the same evening I saw a being shown, and I said, so why didn't they tell me? So I decided then let me go and speak to UTV people and see if they will give me time.
Yes.
When I went, they were like, oh, the lady has moved the show from here, so we're about to do our show. So come and do our show for us. I said, oh, unfortunately, I'm coming to talk to you with a finished show.
It's already packaged.
It's already done. If I knew, probably we would have sat down and talked about it. But I've done it. This is like 3-5 episodes for you. They were like, okay, it's still the same family. Bring it on. Let's show it. And I had to sit down. We agreed and we started showing. With the other show, United Showbiz, it was way after my cooking show. And then Despite Media is like a family. So one day we're eating, me, myself, and the management. And we all decided like, Nana, you need to have another show. Your energy there, you can have like 10 shows, and every show will be unique. So bring something on board. I said, oh, if I have to do another show, probably entertainment. If not, I can't do politics. I don't want to offend people. I can't do sport. It's still politics. And in my circle, I can do entertainment. And that's how we all came up with the name United Showbiz.
Okay. So, to the people watching, you know, someone will be looking at, oh, she just had it easy. She was able to move into these spaces. And the question I will ask you is, do you think it was your good looks? Do you think it was your energy? Do you think it was God? Like, how did you get into these spaces? Because people may think, oh, it's easy. No, it's not easy. And you have to let them know how you were able to navigate and get into those spaces. Because not everybody can do that.
Yes. I think first of all, it's God.
Yes.
But God will give you what you can carry. Like, God looked at my energy and God said, you, this girl, I'll give you plenty talent. Because I know you will use all of them. So first, it is God, but when God gives you the talent, you need to work. Talent may come plain. You have to shape it.
Of course.
You have to put it into
That's
the
a
right
good one.
places. So when I knew that I have the talent in me, if I can play football, I ride motorbike, bicycle, I drive trucks.
You're like a tomboy.
I was. I was
Yeah,
fully tomboy, fully. I never wear heels.
Tomboy.
No, I was like this all the time with my shirt. I mean my Lacoste, the neck. My shirt you must see that I'm wearing a shirt. You know, and I play football on the streets, me and the guys. I don't have female friends like that. So with me, I would say it is God and passion. Because the vision was there and the passion to drive it to was within me. And that is why I'm here. Give me anything.
You can do it.
I don't know. In 30 seconds, we would have to figure out how I can do it.
Wow. Okay. Another question I'm going to ask. So, you know, people say you can't have it all. I mean, I think I almost have it all, right? My kids are doing well. I have a great job. I'm able to do this. I mean, I'm happy. I'm healthy. Lawyer, MBA. Okay. So,
if you sell confidence, come on.
That's right. Diva Dog and McBrown. Period.
Na chese her excellency ana akasa no nana ama McBrown no nkwane de wo si bonidi e ma ne yedeye. But to me, I have my honest opinion about this face thing air trendy. What I say, the context na am using, I felt like right now I even feel like because she was talking about her DBA in the past, you know, about the particular issue, you know, in the past, anything or come my husband then, because while emphasizing on the then to say my husband then, she was like my husband then said, oh, so it could be anything. It could be that she was just referring to the Asem corner and now but not necessarily mean say or need kunu na jai. But anyhow be obi anko no de o sit ne brofo die bia obi mu say or ne kunu jai nti no ye de aba ana ye ka. Ne de mani ensem ne chi any update be fe oba me de be sumo me ka so be follow Facebook as let's gh rumors and TikTok so as let's gh na share video we ama for be share. Any comments na waja comment section ho. Eje ama me din ede na na ekwa santo a. Macron.